Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign out character AI on PC. First, open any preferred browser on your PC and type character.ai in the search bar. Press enter and you will be redirected to the home page of Character AI. Here, you will see all of your recent chats displayed on the main screen. Now, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the profile banner. This will open up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. Inside the Account Settings, you will see a list of tabs on the left side menu. Click on the Account tab. This will open a new section with various account-related options. Now, get to the bottom of this section and you will find the Logout option. Click on Logout and you will be signed out of Character AI on your PC. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.